It's a bad man thing, I hear. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, He's bad.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lee. So in today's video, we're gonna be reviewing this unit that you see that I'm rocking and I'm loving. Obviously, like if I love a unit, like I cannot keep my hands out of it. Like I just have to keep touching it, cause it's like, and I just love this color combination. I love it. Oh, but the unit that I'm rocking is the Outre lace front called SHATAYA. SHATAYA. And it's in the color DRFF1B burgundy. So the FF is for the face framing. The burgundy part is like the face framing part, and I love it. And red is my favorite color. Like, I love it. So this is heat safe up to 400 degrees. I love like this color right here, what the model has on. I love that. That just looks awesome. But all of them just look, they look nice. And oh yeah, so these are all the available colors in the back, and they give you like a guide how to care for it, which is pretty nice. And okay, Outre. I know I'm pretty late to the game, but when this hair came out, I just didn't have time. I was too busy working 2 jobs and going to school, so I was like, oh, I'm gonna get it when I get it. But here it is. It is nice. I love it. And let me see. Running my hands through, I'm getting little snacks and stuff. And my hands is getting stuck in there. Let me see. Okay, I'm getting few strands here and there. So it sheds. So you have to carry a brush around with you when you wear this, like, so you can comb it throughout the day, which is, you know, it's just part of the game, you know. And yeah. But I love the color. I love the color, and I love the face framing. You can never, like, face framing, I don't care how bad a unit may be, like the tangling and the shedding may be bad, but with a face framing color, I feel like it just makes the unit looks nice. So Ace, my dog, he just keeps barking at whatever sound he hears outside. So you can get this unit from Wig Types for like 26 bucks, which is not bad. It's pretty affordable. And like this unit is like the perfect density. I love it's not too thin, it's not too thick, which just makes it look a little like natural and stuff. Some people, the thinness might be a problem for them because some people love their unit to be pretty thick. But for cap construction, this unit it comes like a pretty standard cap construction, blah, with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. And it fits a little snug, and I have my wig grip on, so that could be why. So it's a little snug, you know. But overall, I love the unit. I'm gonna do a 360 so you can see what it looks like. This is the front, and this is the back. This is the other side, and back to the front. Yeah, so I love it. There's not much I can say about this unit. Like, it is nice. No complaints on my part. Like I said, I like the unit. Okay, so if you have reached this far of this video, that means you like what you see. So how about you join the family and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on your post notification so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. You do not want to be left behind, okay? Because we be spilling the tea on these units, like. So yeah, turn on your post notification. And this is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye.
It's a bad man.